Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andika Rizika. I want to make a flower vase with flex comment. Click new, then part design, and then click front plan, click sketch, and then click line. Okay. Okay, click again. Okay, and then give a dimension. $600. Okay. Uh, 120. Okay. Uh, 60. Okay, and then click spline. Okay, and then give a dimension again. Give a dimension. Okay, 150. Okay, and then click again. $140. Okay, dimension again. Click here to here. Okay, 400. Then click here to here. $60 millimeter. Okay, and then escape, and then out of the sketch, and then click feature and revolve. Click here. Okay, click OK. And then click front plan, click sketch, normal to, and then click here, click here. Okay, and then I want to make a contour. Click spline. Here, here, and then here. Skip, and then give a dimension. Click here, dimension, click here, and this. Okay, 40. Click OK. Click skip. Skip again. Okay, out of sketch, and then click swipe. Circular profile, then change dimension to 8. okay, okay, and then click here, okay, and click okay, okay, and then click circular pattern, click swap, click here and here, develop, and click OK. Okay, and then click select. Click here. Until 12. Okay, select. This last. Okay, this check for 4 mm. Click OK. Okay, and then select again. Click select and click here 4 mm. Click OK. Okay, and then cell, click cell, click here and click OK. Okay, and then click select again. Clear this and the 4 mm. Okay. Okay, done, and then click flex here, flex, click flex, click command and change this twisting and then change 90 degree and click here and then click OK. Okay, finish, and then click here and plastic and hangers and yellow hangers plastic. Click OK. Okay, this is a flower vase with flex comment. I hope you enjoy with my video. Thank you.